For every second you're not living, you're dying. Do something. For some, the pastime becomes as simple as endless hours of video games, drugs, TV, shopping, and on the other hand, some master water, rock, and the bare earth. As I look out over the horizon, I wonder how much more is out there. So I'm going to explore what other real things are on this earth. To do that, I'm inviting you to go out there to study the sights of Mother Nature and to observe what some free-spirited individuals will do in seek of a good time.
Are we going up that?
If we follow the Parker Trail that way, we'll go around the mountain. That is not the way we want to go. We want to take the cliff walk that way.
Look at this. So perfect. It's totally where knows. Some stingy bug nest. I don't know which one.
There's tons of them around here.
Downhill.
Yep.
This is the one cheek sneak. Thanks, Doug Carty.
I used to watch endless hours of TV and play video games until the sun came up. Then I realized how short video games are, and soon after I realized how short life can be. So here I am watching the sunrise, indulging in reality.
Oh, just so like happy right now.
Would you ever try kayaking?
Yes, I will.
Whitewater kayaking?
I advocate it. Hey, if you want to go upstream, there's some huge rapids we can run. Sure, why not? Don't kick your ass! Unfortunately, the water's really low. But if this rate was a little bit deeper, you could do front flips and like cartwheels and shit. see you. It's a lot harder than it looks. I went to Appomattox River Company in Richmond, Virginia, trying to buy a rack for my Beetle. And I went in and I asked the woman, what's the cheapest rack that you can get me? And the cheapest one we find, I think, was made by Thule or something. $475 for the mounts, razors, and rack for a Beetle. So I found a piece of foam in my garage, cut it up. It's just as well.
I've been wondering why so many people are wasting so much time trying to make their lives speed up, while I'm up here trying to slow my life down. Anyway, while I've been up here thinking, watching the sun come up, I know I'm experiencing something real.
Y'all have to put your helmets on for the walk.
Yeah, you need to put your helmet on.
Let's go.
I like to rock climb just because it's totally different than any other sport.
I really like to climb because it's a great outdoor activity. It gives me time to go out, work some muscles.
I really enjoyed it mostly because it's not a team sport.
I like to rock climb because I like to center myself.
I like being outdoors and I like to scare myself.
Gonna do some climbing today, man. It's gonna be great. It's a beautiful day. It's a nice little Saturday we got going on. Do some climbing. Woo! And Christian is at this time is gonna go over the fundamentals of safe climbing.
So this is your ATC or your belay device. You're gonna go through the one harness loop, I guess. You stick it in one side of your ATC. So you then put that in your carabiner and lock it. But we're gonna do a bus method. So this hand is never coming off your brake. You're gonna stop it, underhand, and slide. On the other side, you're gonna do a figure 8 follow through.
The figure 8, you make a face, then you strangle it, poke it in the eye.
And now, you're gonna follow through your figure 8. So here's my top side. I'm gonna follow that directly
Bada bing, bada boom.
around. If everything is double all the way around, you've got 2, 4, 6, 8. 8's our pretty number. Are you ready to climb?
That's why you keep your harness tight. All right.
I like to climb it.
Best part of climbing.
Touching ground.
My favorite part about rock climbing?
My favorite thing about it is I really like getting to the top.
The top, man.
Like getting to the top, and it's just like, oh, I actually did it. You know, sometimes you're not sure. It can be a little tricky sometimes, and
Adrenaline rush for your body.
just trying to keep yourself alive.
You know, it's a great feeling up against a rock, you know, the cold rock.
And challenge
Huge
myself.
challenge of strength.
Just
I
go
like
for
to
it.
challenge myself.
Hanging on one hand, you know, looking back.
You know, it's invigorating.
I don't know, the outdoor part's huge too. Just getting outside.
Not everyone gets out and does it, so sometimes you make it, sometimes you don't, but when you actually do, it's great.
There's really nothing like that. There's really nothing like that in the world, man. I'm very glad that humans learned how to climb on rocks.